life I live in all the Caribbean people in the house, big up and respect you. So, yeah.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new here, welcome. And if you like what you see, subscribe and join the family. Before we get into today's video, guys, I have a short little mini haul for you guys. It's from this company called Fanka. They do activewear, leggings and so forth, and tops like these. I'm actually wearing one of their outfits right now. True story. You guys know I'm trying to get back into shape, so I expressed that to you guys a few weeks ago. And actually in the market, I'm looking around for activewear outfits that I could wear to maybe go to the gym. Well, who am I kidding? I don't go to the gym. I've actually exercised. I do my workouts at home, guys. But it's really nice to have little cute outfits. When you look good, you feel good. So you work out in an outfit that looks good, it just gives you a little bit more motivation to continue exercising, right? So I was on Instagram like a few weeks ago, just looking around and stuff, and this company came across. I swear your phone will listen to you sometimes, but this company popped up on my screen and I was checking it out a little bit. Lo and behold, a few days later, I got a message from them. Got an email saying they wanted to send me a couple stuff to try. So here we are. So thank you so much to Fanka for sponsoring this portion of today's video.
Let me do a quick little unboxing for you guys. They came in these nice, cute little packages.
Let's try to unbox one for you guys, and then I'm going to try them on for you. So this is one of the leggings, and you can you can wear them on both sides. So let me just try to turn it around for you. So the one leggings you can wear both on both sides. So it's like you have two leggings in one, guys. This is the other one. So it's black. And from what I'm told, you're not able to wear this one on both sides, just the other one. But they have, from what I'm told, they have light reflectance. So like in the night, you're able to wear them and they reflect the light. So we can try that. So once I try them on, I'll show you guys. I have next up here. This is one top that they sent. Alright, so this is the top. And we're gonna try these on for you guys.
So let's get into the features of Fanka Flux leather leggings. Number 1, 15 degrees booty lifting. 2, 360 degrees tummy control. 3, muscle support. 4, knee support. 5, reversible wear. And a kaleidoscope of colors. So you have a variety of different colors to choose from.
This is the other side. So I told you guys I was going to show you both sides of the legging. This is the other side.
As you can see, the one on the left is a bit more sheer and looks a lot like leather, while the leggings on the right has more of a matte finish and you're able to see a lot more details.
And it really sucks you in and just...
Now for a bit more info on the lift and curve bra tank top. It has removable cups. It's very breathable. It has a 4-way stretch, so it's very stretchy, and it provides lift and support. It really pulls you in and helps to smooth out those love handles or back fat.
I love this top, guys. The top is so nice. Like, you just suck it in and push up, you know? So this right here is the other one, guys.
This is Fanka Speed Light Leggings. The features include booty lifting, tummy control, squat proof, no camel toe, and it has a nice little back pocket feature where you could put like your money, your keys, your phone. Well, that's too small to hold my phone, but you could put like your money or stuff like that in there. And last but not least, and probably my favorite feature of this legging is the reflective print feature. You know, I just had to test this out for you guys. At night when the light hits it, it just gives it this really really cool black and white effect. I feel like this would be perfect for people who are night joggers. Yeah, I really love that. So again, the name of the company is Fanka at fanka.com, and I have a discount code for you guys for 15%.
Here somewhere.
It's Nikki15 for 15% off on your orders, and it can be used in combination with other discount codes.
I'll leave your information in my description box, and remember to check out my description box. That's your friend. That's where all my details. I normally put all the information in there, so check it out. So the company, the website information, and the discount code will also be in my description box. Okay, guys.
I'm playing music, guys, so I'm just gonna montage this real quick.
So guess what? I just got a call that Sean Paul is in town having some kind of party or after party or something. I'm gonna go. Kind of last minute, but I'm gonna try to see if I can put together something fast, quick for wear, because I can't miss out on this. Sean Paul, you mad? I'll update you guys further though, but yeah, it kind of last minute. I just got a call, so yeah. Sean Paul in Canada. Hey, boy. Alright, you may couldn't know what go on. So I think I'm gonna wear this wig again, guys, because it's currently the only one I have out that's semi ready to go. That's not gonna take me a lot of time to prep. Yeah, because I actually wore it before, so it kind of already, you know what I mean. So just need to throw it on. I'm just gonna straighten it a little bit, and then I should be good to go. And I got a new flat iron. Not flat iron. I got a new hot comb, and I got a new hot comb. The other one, I honestly couldn't find the one that I had previously, so I just got a new one. I'm done. But yeah, here it is. Shall do a little unboxing for you guys.
So it came with these two little booklets. One is an information manual. It's called DAN Technology, and the other is little booklet with other styling tools that this company offers. Looks like they sell curling irons, flat irons, and also blow dryers. Yeah, cute. It says fast 60 seconds heat up, and it also came with a dual action scalp heat guard and root straightening attachment. Yeah, it's real cute. It only has an off and on button. It doesn't have temperature control, so that's a drawback there. But then again, most hot combs don't have temperature control. And like always, I'll link this in my description if you guys want to check it out, and I'll probably put it also in my Amazon storefront. But if I don't put it in my storefront, it will definitely be in my description. I'm gonna go start getting ready. I'll be back. waiting on Sean Paul to show up, guys. It's my first time gonna see Sean Paul in real life. Can you believe it? And I'm Jamaican. Should I shame? Yeah, but we're waiting. We're waiting outside. They're not letting anybody in the club yet until he shows up, I guess. But yeah, this was a last minute thing. But we just did what we had to do to make it happen. Yeah, because we weren't gonna miss out on this one for sure. Alright, that's try to show you guys some footage when we're inside. If they allow phones, I don't know, but we'll see. See you in a bit.
Nobody ever gonna like the one gone wreck. Don't know the party you got in your center. Sexy girl, them just remember the night about to know. Telling me no inside and I got to know. Check, so which one comes and my flow. Yo, if you can't get lit, say all shit. Yo, and if you can't get ready, say all day. Yo, if you got your own bag, say money. If you feel sexy, say party. You not go. So we like to live in all the Caribbean people in the house, big up and respect you. So, check. Shake that thing, this girl gotta shake that thing. Yeah, I'm gonna shake that thing. Let me see you go, so, sexy lady, talk about with us. You know the love, talk about with us. You know the cup, that one flex. You get vex, you let me vex. Yo, when I live behind, you like my video. When it's all good, you tell me on. Let's get it on, we got early one. Yo, check. When I say blaze, you say fire. Blaze. When I say take them, you say higher. Take them. When I say copper, then you say shot. Copper. When I say turn it, you say oh, turn it. Show on. Bring the young girls come to party, come and see them move and change them body. Yo, bring the young girls come to party and see the beat of it. Yo, check. I got the right, but jump the shit down. Oh, I got the right tactics, sir. And get out, I'm gonna talk how you get it. So, listen to the look what's like, nobody know I want to papa. No one but just the one. Listen, you want to fire. He's a young nothing, bitch, I'm looking for that.
Guys, we just made it back home. Oh my gosh, today was so amazing. Yeah, Sean Paul was just amazing. That was such a great, like, it was my first time seeing Sean Paul in person and I was not disappointed. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. Tonight was great. Yeah. Okay, I just came back to close out the vlog for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.